Understanding the phrase, "cry your eyes out," a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very expressive phrase in the English language, cry your eyes out. This phrase is rich in emotion and imagery, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension and expression. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to cry your eyes out. The phrase, cry your eyes out, might sound strange at first. Literally, it suggests crying so much that your eyes come out of their sockets. Of course, this is not what the phrase actually means. In English, many phrases are used figuratively. Figurative language involves using words or phrases in a way that deviates from their literal interpretation to achieve a more complex or powerful meaning. In the case of cry your eyes out, it is used to express the idea of crying extremely hard or for a long time. It's an example of hyperbole, which is an exaggerated statement not meant to be taken literally. Understanding when and how to use this phrase is key. Cry your eyes out is typically used in situations of great sadness or emotional overwhelm. For example, if someone has just gone through a tough breakup, you might hear, "She cried her eyes out when they split up." This indicates that she was very upset. However, it's important to know that this phrase is best used in informal situations. It's not appropriate for formal contexts and can sound overly dramatic if used in minor, everyday disappointments. English has a rich collection of similar expressions. Knowing them can help you understand and express emotions vividly. Phrases like bawling your eyes out, sobbing your heart out, or weeping buckets convey similar levels of intense crying. Each of these phrases adds a little different shade of meaning or intensity to the act of crying, but all are hyperbolic in nature. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and use of the phrase, cry your eyes out. Remember, understanding such figurative expressions can greatly enrich your English comprehension and allow you to express emotions more vividly. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use these expressions in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.